am Arie, a PhD student at Byline University, and I represent SciCo, my internship project at AI2. We are interested in several applications to enhance the exploration of scientific literature. For example, faceted search and recommendation, knowledge graph construction, author recommendation, and many other applications. From these applications, we require the ability to identify cross-document coreference and hierarchical relations between scientific concepts. To see why, consider the application of author recommendation based on shared methods and tasks. We can extract a long list of mentions from an author's papers, but it's not enough because of three main problems. First, many semantically similar mentions look differently, for example, a system or a search engine. Second, mentions can be lexically similar but semantically very different. For example, the NLP task of information extraction versus extracting information from video or audio. And finally, there is a mixture of high-level and fine-grained concepts. Two authors working on NLP is not the same signal as two authors working on TLDR generation. The overall goal is to get a representation of all the task methods in a hierarchical form. As we can see here on the left side, TLDR generation is semantically closely related to single sentence summary of documents and extreme summarization. They are a child of the more general summarization task. In this work, we first define a new task of hierarchical cross-document coreference resolution, where the input is multiple text with highlighted mentions, and the output is a hierarchy of coreference clusters. Second, we construct SciCo, a new large-scale dataset for this task. Annotating data for this task is not trivial. We leverage multiple data sources and distant supervision. The annotation was done by expert annotators. We also devised corresponding evaluation metrics to evaluate the task. Finally, we develop baseline models which can be easily downloadable on Hugging Face along with our dataset. Thanks for listening, and please check out our paper for more details.